Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin now by checking file formats and importing images into your editor. Do not stall. Duplicate the layer so originals stay intact, then set the canvas ratio to 1, 1 or 16, 9 depending on where the SSO picture will be used. Once done, apply a quick auto exposure or histogram correction to get baseline brightness and contrast. Make sure to name the working file clearly, because organized files save time later. This avoids confusion when you return to edits or produce multiple variants. Next, focus on precise adjustments. Use exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows, and refine with a curves adjustment for tonal control. Then create masks to target skin, background, or logos. Refine edges with feathering so transitions look natural. Apply selective sharpening to areas that need clarity, and run noise reduction only where grain distracts. This preserves texture. Once these steps are balanced, inspect at 100%, because only at full resolution will you see edge halos or over-sharpening that require subtle corrections. Finish by exporting the required formats and sizes, and always keep a high-resolution master for future edits. Make sure the color profile matches the destination. sRGB is usually safest for web. Compress thoughtfully, preview thumbnails and small sizes to ensure legibility. If you spot color shifts or banding, revert to the master, apply an appropriate ICC profile, or export again with lower compression. If backgrounds or edges look jagged, undo the last sharpening step and reapply with a smaller radius. This usually fixes artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.